Hi, it's Future from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to draft a basic convertible collar pattern. So what you need are your front neck measurement and back neck measurement. So just take a tape measure and you're going to measure from the center front all the way to the neck shoulder junction, just along the stitching line, okay? And you do the same for the back. Measure from the center back neckline to the neck shoulder junction as well along the stitching line, and record everything down. So this is how you do it. You just be pivoting your tape measure along the stitching line like this from the inside. Whatever you get, record it down. Do the same with the back. So I'm just gonna use my L square here. So first, draw yourself a guideline, square a line down and square another line across. This line here is going to represent our center back. So from the center back, we're going to put in our back neck measurement. Mine is 9.5 centimeters. Put a mark. This point is going to mark our shoulder point. Now from the shoulder point, we're going to measure for our front neck measurement. Mine is 13.5 centimeters and put a mark. So this point is going to mark our center front. Now coming to the center front point, we're going to square a guideline up. Now along this guideline here, we're going to measure up for 1.5 centimeters and put a mark. 1.5, put a mark. Next, get your curved ruler and we're going to draw a nice curve connecting the shoulder point to the right center front point, okay? Now get your tape measure and we're going to measure from the center back along the new curved line to this point for our total neck measurement, which is our back neck measurement plus front neck measurement. The total, we're going to verify to see where our total lands on this curved line, okay? So mine is 23 centimeters. Yeah, right about there. Now coming to our center back line, we're going to put in our neck width measurement. So I'm going to be using 7.5 centimeters. So 7.5 centimeters and square a line. Next, we're going to square a line across past this guideline using this 7.5 centimeter point we just marked. Or what you can do as well is just to measure your 7.5 centimeters all the way through using the straight line, not the curved line, okay? So I'm just gonna square mine across. Now from this center front guideline, I'm going to measure about 3 centimeters to my right and put a mark. Next, I'm going to connect these points here to this point with a straight line. Now we're going to add seam allowances to the top edge, to the side, and to the neckline, 1 centimeter all around. Now make sure to transfer your notch to the outer edge. So this is going to be our collar draft. Now I'm gonna cut around it. Next, just extend your center back line both ways. Like that. So for the convertible collar pattern, you can either make it as a one-piece collar pattern or you can have it as a two-piece collar pattern. So first I'll show you how to make a one-piece collar pattern. Get your fresh pattern paper and make sure that it's folded in half lengthwise. We're going to also fold it in half crosswise as well. So what we did is to fold lengthwise first and then crosswise, because both the center back and the top edge of our collar is going to be on fold for us to make this one piece collar. Okay, so now we're going to make sure that we align our center back line and the top edge of our pattern with the folded edges here. Okay, center back line aligned to the center back folded line here, and the top edge aligned to the folded top edge here as well. So I trimmed off the excess paper at the top here so that it's easier for me to align it to the folded end here. Just gonna use my weights here to just make sure everything stays in place. Next, get your tracing wheel and just trace the bottom neckline edge and this part here, okay? Make sure to trace your notch as well here for the shoulder notch. And now we're going to cut our collar following through the tracing wheel marks that we have here. Now open your pattern. And first we're just going to outline the notches for our shoulder notches here. Adding a grain line to our pattern piece. And labeling the pattern. Convertible collar. Cut 1. And I put my initial. So for the fusing for this collar piece, you're just going to cut halfway, okay? So that's how you make a one-piece convertible collar pattern. So now I'm going to show you how to draft a two-piece convertible collar pattern. Putting this on the side for now, and we're going to bring back our collar draft. To make things easier for ourselves, we're just going to get 2 folded pattern pieces that are folded lengthwise like this, and we're going to trace this collar draft at the same time. First, align your folded ends here, make sure they are well aligned, and get your collar draft and align the folded part with the center back like we did with the other one, but it's just the center back for this one. Now we're going to trace our collar draft, just the outer edges for the whole pattern, okay? Make sure to transfer your shoulder notch as well. Now separate your pattern pieces. Get the draft out of the way. For one of them, just cut along the tracing wheel marks. Open this pattern and just outline the notches for the shoulder here. So this is going to be our under collar, and we're going to cut 1 plus 1 fusing, and I put my initial. Then for the under collar, we're just going to cut it on bias. Put this on the side for now. Now we're going to get our other piece. And what we're going to do is to outline all the tracing wheel marks because we've got to make a few changes here. So the only changes that we're going to make on our top collar draft is to add 3 millimeters to the outer edge up to this top point here, 3 millimeters, and taper to nothing at the center front neckline here. Okay, let's do that. Next, get your scissors and just cut through the outer edges that we added and cut through the whole pattern. Open your pattern, outline the shoulder notches that we have there, and we're going to add our grain line lengthwise on the pattern, and labeling the pattern piece, top collar, cut 1. I put my initial. So that's it. Our 2-piece convertible collar patterns are finished, and our 1-piece convertible collar pattern is finished as well. Okay, so that's it. We finished drafting our convertible collar patterns, both the 2-piece collar pattern and 1-piece convertible collar pattern. Thank you.